this is a fun exercise, and it's one where students might think, why am I doing this? What does this have to do with the study of literature? Well, everything, actually. Because as you go through university level courses, the evaluation of texts from throughout decades, from North America, South America, Europe, China, you will be evaluating those texts. And at the center of nearly all of those writings will be the fundamental idea of God. And what better place to start than in exploring your own ideas about God? Maybe they'll change, maybe they won't, maybe they have not yet formed. That's fine too. You cannot flunk this assignment. Isn't that wonderful? So let me show you what we're going to do. We go over it first in the PDF, then I'm going to show you how we do this. First, you're going to click on the blue Submit tab at the top right of this page. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see a text box. In that text on the upper left side, you'll add your name, course, date, word count. True, there may be about 12 words or maybe more, but they all count. Center a title, i.e., My Concept of God, My God, or whatever you like. Go to the Insert Media tab, click Flickr, and find an image that represents your beliefs. It does not have to be a picture of God in the traditional sense. It can be an image of how you feel in the presence of this creator that you acknowledge, or this science that you acknowledge, or in this vastness that you acknowledge. Once again, you cannot flunk this exercise. Add that picture under your title and adjust the toggles to make the picture smaller. About 100-150 pixels is good. Sometimes you can do that in your Flickr account as well, which is free and comes with the course. If you wanted to find another image and add that to your account in your in your Canvas classroom, you can do that. But to make it a little quicker, it's fine to do it through Flickr. Any way you want. You can't flunk the exercise. You're going to be right no matter what. Under the title, drop down 2 spaces and then write your concept of God. Not necessarily the ideas that have been passed down to you, but your actual beliefs. Atheist, state that as well as the reason. Scientist, whatever you believe. You can't flunk it, so just put it out there. What do you believe? And then proofread your work and click Submit. Let me show you that very quickly in Canvas. When you click on the assignment, you will find this box and you will click that. You will scroll down and see the text entry box. You'll add your name, course, date, and word count. Center the title. Next, we're going to include an image. We're going to go to Flickr, and here you will type in the search words that you want to include. Perhaps it's a feeling, maybe it is a picture of a traditional God, maybe it's a scientific picture, maybe it's a picture of the universe. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, you're going to type that into the search box. I typed in a concept, peaceful well-being, and I'm going to see what Flickr finds for that. Well, this is interesting. I'll scroll through here and see if there's an image that matches the feeling that I experience in the presence of my concept of God. That's kind of a neat symbolic thing, isn't it? I really like that little image symbolically. Okay, so I have it highlighted. I'm going to come down here and I can change this. All I have to do is just change this first box, click over here, and this will automatically change the dimensions. I update that to add it into my post, and there it is, and I think maybe just a little bit too tiny, and I'm going to center it, and then I see that my title isn't really matching up with that, so there. Lovely. Lovely. Now I'm going to drop down 2 spaces, indent for the paragraph, right? And I'm going to add in my content. So I wrote, my concept of God is a benevolent entity that it delivers to me all that I need to live a peaceful and purpose-driven life. That isn't 2 spaces down, is it? So I just needed to add a space. Now, it's lovely. It's just lovely. How am I going to find the word count for this? I can add it up one at a time. I can sort of ballpark what that is. Or if I'm excited about that, I can take this like this, paste it in a Word document, highlight it, go up here to Review, and right over here are the famous words word count, and then I will get the actual word count. I would have said about 20 words, so that's good if you need to be that detailed. All right, I'm not going to check up on that, obviously. Now I look all this over, see if it's the way I want it to be, make sure that my name and everything is on there. Yes, I'm going to add that word count. I don't want to forget it. And then I'm going to proofread it a little bit, and I'm going to click Submit. And that's all there is to it. Again, you will be submitting this to me. We are not going to post this in your cyber cafe or on any discussion boards. This is a personal topic, and this is a personal concept, and I will hold that in safe regard. That concludes this tutorial.